In this video, I'm going to show you the best indicator for swing trading that is available on TradingView, and that provides you highly accurate buy and sell signals. Yes, guys, this indicator is so powerful. You can use it on the higher time frame starting from the 5-minute, 30-minute and the 1 hour to 4 hour time frames, and you will love this indicator because this indicator is going to do wonders in your trading matters. And please make sure that you are going to watch the full video, otherwise you are going to miss the very important part of that indicator. So before I jump into this video, if you are looking to join the best broker that I personally use, then please find the broker link in the description of this video below. This is a highly reputed broker and it has big investors, and the deposit and withdrawal methods are quite smooth and instant, and that is why I'm using this broker from 2015 because I love the withdrawal process that quickly your money comes back into your account after you make the profits into the forex, crypto or the stock market. So join that broker from the link that is given in the description of this video below. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to get the lifetime version of my private indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Okay, so I'm going to remove that indicator setup from my screen, and all we just need is to go into the indicator section, and here we need to write rainbow. Okay, and then we will give space, then we will write king master. Okay, so when you will write rainbow king master, then this indicator will come, that is called rainbow king master indicator by UVZIS. And you can see this indicator is not popular. This is a well researched work that we have done for our subscribers. So if you are going to use it, then you will see that even the numbers of the users on this indicator will be very high in the latter case. Okay, so if you just have a look on this indicator, just a second, we just need to remove the labels so that it should go our screen. So if you just look at this indicator is using the plenty of very good combination of SMA moving averages, and you can see it is also using the RSI and the buy and sell signals, and I will explain how you are going to deal with these signals. Okay, and rest you do not need to change any kind of inputs, so please keep them as they are already into the zones that are already given by the author, right? Okay, now my recommendation is to at least start using this indicator from the 15-minute time frame so that you can have a very good result. But I'm not saying that if you are going to use it on the lower time frames, then this indicator will not work. Yes, it can work, but basically if you're a swing type of trader, then this indicator is highly useful. Okay, now you can see we have some dotted lines. If you look at here, we have the green dotted line as well, and we have the red dotted line as well. So basically these lines are representing the support level for the market. Okay, and the second good thing about the indicator is that when this indicator looks like a Keltner channel indicator, so when you are trading the Keltner channels, you are always blind because you don't know where to exactly buy or where to exactly sell, because it does not give any message on the main chart. Okay, but if you look at this indicator, when the market touched the support level, then it has also provided you with a green bar here, and that was the perfect buy signal for you. And if you just have a look here, this signal is generated almost at the oversold levels of the market. So the best way is to use this indicator into the dead overbought and dead oversold market. So for example, for instance, we are going to take a buy position, let's say from here. Okay, this is the crossover, so we are going to take a buy position from here. We are going to set up the stop loss at the previous low of the market. Based on the 15-minute chart, this indicator has almost provided us with the 1 ratio at the moment. Okay, so let's analyze the further pairs. Okay, so try your best to choose the good pairs that are in momentum, and whenever you see a very long pullback candle from the resistance that has already left, then you do not need to trade such type of candles. Okay, so for example, let me see see any other move. So I'm just seeking the opportunities based on this indicator so that I can guide my subscribers in a well way. Okay, so if you look at here, we have the red dotted lines here that represents the resistance area, and as per the market, that was the overbought levels. And then you can see we have the bearish candles, but we do not have a sell signal, so we need to find the sell signals on our chart to take our proper entries. So for example, look at this. The market is coming back from the overbought levels. It has connected a sell signal here. Now you can see the price is going down, and when the market will open on Monday, then you will expect more downward pressure on this indicator. Okay, so let me see some other pairs. Okay, so for example, if we go to Ethereum today, okay, so this is the live market at the moment because crypto is running. You can see the buy signal is generated, and you can see the price is up. Okay, so guys, what a target that you can set with this indicator? The target that you can set with this indicator, for example, if you are going to take a long position right from here, you will be going to set up the stop loss at the previous low of the market, and then at least if you just look at here, there are the moving averages in the middle. So try your best to catch your take profit up to the moving averages, because either the market will break the moving averages above, or it can retrace down from that level. So you can this indicator is also providing you with the good opportunity of the retracement levels as well, right? So for example, look at this scenario. We have a buy signal here, and then you can see the market hit the moving average in the middle. So that becomes your take profit in that case. Okay, so for example, the sell signal was generated on S&P 500, and then you can see if you are going to go for the short position exactly from here, then you will set up the stop loss at the previous high of the market. Sorry, just a second. Okay, so you will set up the stop loss exactly at the high point, and then you can see how much it has provided us. Overall, it has provided us 3.31 ratio, but as per the moving average, we are already done with the 2.1 trading risk ratio. Okay, so just half that bands that you can see, and you can see the middle two lines here. So once you see the rejection from here, then at least your take profit should be the middle line. In case of the lower side, if you get a buy signal, then you are going to target this middle line, and you can see this indicator also hit the middle line as well. So guys, this is all about this trading strategy. Let me know into the comment section if you like this trading strategy. Then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.